Hi, welcome back to the channel. We will see here in this implement block diagram reduction technique using some Matlab code. Okay, for this first we will take the uh, block diagram like this: R of s plus 4 by s square plus s plus 2. This is block number 1, s divided by s plus 2, and it is C of s output and it is input. Feedback is given. Here it is unity feedback, so nothing is connected. That's why h of s equal to 1. Since these two are in series, first we will see the theoretical part, later we will see the code. So here if these are in series, so multiply these two, 4s divided by this multiplication, and feedback is 1. H of s is 1 here in this case. So for the negative feedback, you can observe here it is negative feedback. For the negative feedback system, so we are having a transfer function C of s output by input is equals to G of s divided by 1 plus G of s H of s. So what is G of s? G of s is this function forward, that is this 4s divided by, multiply these two and you will get this, divided by 1 plus what is G of s, again this part 4s divided by this into H of s. In this case H of s is 1, so it is 1. So simplify this. So numerator as it is, denominator take LCM and start doing solving. So after solving we are going to get the transfer function like this. Okay, so for this we should write the Matlab code. So here the Matlab code is clear screen, close all and clear. You should give this. You can observe here the first, for the first block, what is the number of poles? 4. So p equals to 4. So zeros, in the zeros take some variable like q. The coefficient of s square is 1, coefficient of s is 1 and 2 as it is. So here q is equals to 1 1 2 represents this s square plus s plus 2. Coefficients we should write constant as it is. Then after that we should write the transfer function for this particular block, output by input or numerator by denominator, transfer function of p comma q you should write. So and we should execute it. I will show this using the Matlab. First we will explain this code, then after that r, we can take one more block for this same r. So what is the numerator? S coefficient is 1 and other is 0 1 0 and other is s plus 2. So coefficient of s is 1 and 2 is as it is, and this is one separate block. So take this numerator r and s as a denominator, b as one more function, transfer function of r of s. So this is for one separate block, that is block number 1, and this is for the separate block number 2. Then take the next one as series. C is equals to, take some other variable, C equal to series of this. These two are in series, so take the series of a comma b. What is a comma b? A means the block 1 output, b means block 2 output. So once I take this, then after that last is answer. What, how we are going to get, how we are getting the answer? Feedback of c comma 1 comma minus 1. What is feedback? Feedback of c. What is c? C is series of a and b. 1, what is 1 indicates that is feedback, h of s equal to 1, and what is minus 1? Minus 1 indicates it is negative feedback. So if I do like this, so I am going to get the output which is exactly like this fashion. So first type these three and run, so you will get this, then later here, and the last part is this one. So here the theoretical is matching with the practical. If you want, you can see here. Now we will see the Matlab code. Now we will see the output of this code. You can observe here we have written clear screen, close all and clear as like the problem. So we are writing this part, just observe the first block. So this block we are writing here, that is this block we are writing p as 4, and here I will keep the reference like this. Okay, so here the p is 4, then q is 112 and a is transfer function of pq. So now you can run this and you can observe what is the output you are getting. Okay, so you are getting some output here which is exactly this one, that is 4 s square plus s plus 2. So here 4 divided by s square plus s plus 2. So this is a which you are getting, it is a which you are getting, it is a which you are getting. So now similarly we can go for the next one. So here I will just remove this, already written the code, but here I will remove this comment line, and we will see what we are going to get the next part after run. So you can see here after running here, So you are going to get the second part as s divided by s plus 2, that is here b equals to s plus s2. Why you are getting b? Because we are written the function here b. Okay. So similarly go for the next using this series combination of these two. So here you can observe, if I go for the run, so multiplication of these two we will get 4 into s and this one. Okay, so that is what the series. The last one is we should get the answer with the help of the feedback, and the c is the series number as well as this one, and this minus one is feedback, that is here, and minus one is negative feedback. Okay, so for this, if I go and run, you can observe the output window. Okay, so the answer which you are getting is this 4s divided by s cube, and it is matching with this, you can observe. Okay, and it is a code. It is the implementation of block diagram reduction technique using a Matlab code, very simple one. Okay, so stay tuned to this channel for the latest academic related programs, Matlabs, or whatever the mathematics which is related to especially electronics stream. Okay, so thank you. Click on the bell icon for the latest notifications.